So you have just received your SOM Reach RS2 Complete Surveying Kit. You will have received this in 3 boxes. There will be one box with your GPS pole, another box with your tripod, and another box with the hard case. In the hard case is your 2 receivers, the base, the rover, the tri-brach, the extension pole, your controller device, and the holder that holds your controller. You will also have 2 USB Type-C charging cables for your base and rover, and a charger for your controller. So we have now set up the base on the tripod, tri-brach, and extension pole, and we have also inserted the LoRa antenna. We'll now turn it on, press and hold 3 seconds, and then let go. So the LED lights will flash, and then when they stop flashing, then the receiver has successfully booted up. Okay, we will now turn on the rover. Okay, and then we will hoist it up on our extension pole or the GPS pole. The system comes pre-configured. So the base is configured as a base, and the same frequency settings and air data rate are set for the rover. This means that your base and rover will automatically communicate. Your base, as soon as it has powered on and it has received satellite signal, it will average a ear position, and then after that start sending corrections to the rover. The base is on. Enough time has passed for the base to have accumulated its ear position. And we have received a fixed solution on the rover. Let us now proceed to the eField app. I will open the eField app. This has already been paired so that the Bluetooth of the rover successfully connects on the eField application. As you have heard on the application, we already have a fixed solution. After this is done, you can proceed to create your project, to do site calibration, and doing your survey work. To do this, you can watch the videos on eField on our back office.